Welcome to our elementary science exhibition. Today, our students proudly present their science projects. They show how bread is made and how ingredients can change through a simple process. They explain how a small bean can grow into a big tree and why plants need water, sunlight, and soil to live. Our young scientists also explore different habitats, animals under the sea, life in the hot desert, the jungle, and even the cold North and South Poles. They learn how living things survive in different environments and how seasons change from summer to winter. Our young scientists explain life cycles too, showing how butterflies grow and how frogs change from eggs into adults. Most importantly, they confidently explain their projects to parents, sharing what they discovered and what they learned. Because science is about discovering, growing, and learning together.